Tie-dye, part one. Hi, I'm Liza.
And I'm Dave.
And we're here to show you
How to tie-dye.
So we've got an example here.
Looks very nice, yes.
And so I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk you through and showing you how to do this. So we choose to begin now. So the first thing you need to do is empty out the full tube of paint, full tube of fabric paint.
Full tube of fabric paint.
Into a cup. So this is Derivan Fabric Art Paint, which is you can use to paint fabric, obviously, like the name says, but you can also turn it into a tie-dye ink. So what we need is the salt, and you need to put a teaspoon of salt into the cup with the fabric art. So if you need a stirrer.
One for each.
One for each, because you don't want to mix your colours yet. And then as you mix that, you'll notice that almost immediately it thins it into like a water-like consistency.
Like magic.
It is like magic, isn't it?
Look at that.
I know.
Wow.
So this is we're making some fabric art dye. You need to pour the ink into the bottle. So give them all a really good shake and then pour some water in. And the amount of water you would put in is maybe to just over halfway. Yeah, double it. And then you need to start with a wet t-shirt.
Yes.
So this t-shirt I have wetted, but you'll notice there's no more drips to come out.
Stamp, in other words. Yeah.
So it's what did we say? It's called the twirly whirly. Swirly whirly twirly.
Oh, is this right about?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I'll just give it a go.
Okay.
I think so.
So you want to give it a bit of tension.
Tension, yep.
Take the full cut.
Good, yeah, okay.
And then you want to just, because you want to keep that circle, because you remember the design is like a circle. So now we need some quadrants. We need to create ourselves some quadrants, and we also we've made ourselves this tie-dye area just by putting a dish with
Some grate on top.
a grate on top. So the yellow is going to go in one section,
Yep.
and then we're going to use 3 colours, aren't we?
We are.
What colours are we going to use? We're going to use the magenta. Yeah, we're going to put that in that little section.
Section.
So those rubber bands are just creating little sections and also keeping it together.
Yep.
And then we want some blue.
Let's see how the...
Look at that beautiful magenta. So it's a good idea to create something similar to this. You could use like a grate or whatever, but what you're doing is it can get messy. So this is sort of like a keep clean area. Now we need to flip it. That was great. Okay. That was really fun. Did I mention I love working with you?
Yeah,
It's really
you
good.
did, yes.
Okay, so do you want to do the honours?
Oh, can I?
Yes, you can. Ooh. Wow, look at those colours.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Ah,
Well, look at
David.
that.
Doesn't that look
Let's see if we can do
awesome?
that. Yeah. It's not
Yeah.
like anyone can do it.
That's so easy.
It's amazing how you can get such an instant result, Eliza. Like, we could be wearing that as soon as it dries.
As soon as it dries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it in the tumble dryer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's a very good, I'm glad you brought that up.
Yes, we need to heat seal it.
Okay, so what do you have to do with it when...
You've finished and it's dried, put it, either iron it with a tea towel or something between it and the iron, or put it in a medium to high heat in the tumble dryer.
So why do you heat set it?
So that when you wash it, the colours remain where they are.
That's right.
Yeah.
Colour fast. So
Colour
it's called
fast.
heat setting.
Heat setting.
So that's tie-dye.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Let's go and do some tie-dye.
And don't forget to subscribe.